Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week everything went really well in the shop. We sold out of bookmarks, so thank you to everyone that ordered bookmarks. There is more on the way. The tassels, well, the green tassels arrived today, but I'm still waiting for the red ones. But the company that actually makes the bookmarks for me, because I design them and then I get them made so that they've got a really nice coating and stuff to them. I have ordered more from that company, so they should be here next week, I think. What else have we got? The shop update went amazing. Really good. I'm going to have a go at making like a repeated pattern for fabric because I have an idea for something. I'm gonna leave that though. I've got an idea for something and I want to design my own fabric to be able to do that, so that's quite cool. Got my list here. What else have we got? I joined some Facebook groups, which I don't know why I hadn't done that before, but that went really well. I've got a lot of people following the shop now. They've favorited the shop and some more subscribers, so hello guys. So we're going to do a giveaway for the Facebook group. So if you are following with the, I think what we'll do is if you're following with the Facebook group, and it'll be a post that goes out, if you share the post to get more people into the Facebook group, then you'll be in with a chance of winning some goodies. I also think I'm going to do like a sort of secret Santa, so anybody that has ordered from the shop will be in with a chance of having a little surprise delivered to their house on Olivia and I as a little Christmas gift. So that's quite exciting. I do have these paintings that I did this week as well, which you've already seen these two. This one's probably my favorite. It's quite cute. And then I did do this one, which I thought was really nice. I think something like this would be nice as a fabric pattern as well. Definitely, probably we'll end up doing a sticker sheet or something with it. But I think it's really cute. I might not have the mistletoe in there though, because that's a bit Christmassy. It's not Christmas fabric that I'm going for. But I thought it was cute anyway. And then I did have a little go at doing this as well. I like the purple and the black, but I wasn't sure on it. This is more me. Browns and greens and things. And then I do something like this and I'm like, oh, that's quite nice. And then I just go off of it really quickly. I find it really hard to stick with the bright kind of colors and stuff. So we've got that. I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do some fabric designing. Something I've not done before, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so I am definitely losing daylight. It's not even 4 o'clock yet, and it's getting dark. So I'm either gonna have to figure out lighting to be able to film in the evenings through the winter, or try and film really early in the morning. I already have enough stuff to do during the day. Okay, so we did this. Now we're gonna be able to see it. Here we go. It's not right. I can totally see it is not right. You guys are gonna be able to see that as well. For a first attempt, it's maybe okay, but I was kind of hoping that it would be one of those things where I'll go, click, yes, I got this. I got it on the first try, but no, it's gonna take a lot longer than that. Not much fun in that. So yeah, so I'm gonna work more on that this week because I really want to get it done and try and get some fabric printed. What I have in mind is it's not going to be ready for Christmas, but I would like to have them ready maybe in the new year for you guys to see. So that'll be it for this week because the lighting, as you can see, isn't very good and my computer just shines off my glasses. Make sure to check out the link to the Facebook that will be down below. If you would like to subscribe and join our lovely little community that we have going, then please do so. And I will see you guys next time.